Hey, this Trail Rider 570 coming at you. I don't know how it's going to work out. I'm going to set the camera down, but I got something to bring out, and we're going to do I'll do kind of a quick video with it. The weather is just not, we still got a lot of snow, so I got a limited space to run it, and it's going to be slippery, so we'll bring it out here in a second. Here you go. Just like that. Just like that. I lost steering. That's why we do test runs. Take it in and check the servo. I think the servo horn slipped. But that'd just be a quick run. It's not as fast as I thought it was going to be. But then again, the battery is not necessarily as fully charged as it should be, and that's what it was. Is my servo horn has slipped, so we'll take it back inside and fix it. This is just first one of many videos testing it. These tires work well. There's the truck. Tires work well, and yeah, I just get the servo tightened up, and we should be good. So, thanks for coming in. Hope you enjoyed this very short video, and I'll see you next time. As always, from me to you, goodbye and God bless.